Ladies and gentlemen, we are here on day 27. 2 steps to manifest a miracle in your life using the Earl Nightingale method. A little bit more subdued today because I want to make sure that everyone understands that at this point in the game where you've been working hard for over 3 weeks, we're nearly a month in, and you're seeing the way that your hard work begins to pay off. It's imperative that you now start thinking about what's the next goal. What's the next dream that you're going to pursue? Because this goal 3 weeks ago seemed impossible to you. So what is something that you have put on the back burner? Something that you decided that's for other people to do? Something that you always wanted to do, but you didn't think you were good enough? That's what you write down on your next goal card. Don't give up on you, and don't give up on the dreams that you've laid to rest. Dig them up and get started on them right now. Rise and shine, heroes. Your world needs you.